Hey guys, welcome back to another today's video where we'll be reviewing these two next-gen test car diecast. And the first one we're going to review is this 500 Motorsports car. Nothing on the back like this. Let's open it. Move this one out of the way. There's the Chevy Camaro on the back, Chevrolet on the side, number 5 on the front, Hidden Motorsports on the front, and then Chevrolet in the front. Move this out of the way. Also the car. And then now we're gonna review, open the Trackhouse Racing 99 Daniel Suarez's car. Same thing. What did he found? Here he is with the 99 with Trackhouse Racing. Back says Chevrolet Camaro, same thing with Trackhouse on the back side. With the chrome on the side of the 99 and the 99 on the front. The Trackhouse Racing logo on the front too, and on the front it has the logo of the Chevrolet Camaro. Okay, that's it guys. Please sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.